3D Via Composer helps you to explain your products. It is a desktop application designed for non-CAD users to help them produce product communications, such as technical illustrations, assembly instructions, service procedures, and product marketing materials. 3D Via Composer allows the reuse of 3D data by the rest of the company, offering a superior way to communicate while making it much faster to produce traditional reference documents. 3D Via Composer imports many 3D formats to support the procedure you are attempting to document. The value with Composer is not just in viewing the data, but in the ability to insert knowledge and information into that data, to produce 3D product experiences, and then to share these experiences with other stakeholders in the enterprise. As experiences are created, they can be easily kept up to date with new geometry or assembly changes. A fully interactive experience better explains assembly procedures to shop floor personnel, helping them to work more quickly and with fewer errors. Interactive instructions in 3D are more engaging and interesting to create and to use. In addition, 2D images can be combined with the 3D information to enrich the instruction, to reduce the reliance on textual information, which helps to reduce translation and training costs. We can extend the interactive 3D concept to include animations and rich graphics, which, when combined with full interactivity, enables clear content to be communicated, reducing ambiguity and improving knowledge retention for workers of all skill levels. Composer has many tools to help create technical publications in minutes. We have the ability to create 2D content derived from the positioning on the screen. This 2D output can be a variety of image formats, such as TIFF and JPEG, as well as vector formats such as SVG and CGM. Product communications enable entirely new levels of customer interaction, voice of the customer, and requirements verification with prospects. With Composer, marketing and salespeople take an engineering design and use it to showcase how the product meets the proposal, how it might fit into an environment, and to differentiate their offering versus the competition, helping them to win new business. What ties the experience together is how easy it is to update and distribute content. Composer can be used to generate the graphical assets for traditional tech pubs, such as this example, which has an image for the title page, as well as a technical illustration. It is also possible to produce interactive experiences that can take Composer content and extract information into the web page to produce interactive applications, such as this example of a spare parts catalog. Here, the user selects by geometry or by part number and gets the information they need to order the parts. The benefits of interactive 3D communications using 3D Via Composer are clear. Across industries, company sizes, and use cases, the savings are phenomenal, and these improvements are repeatable. They have been reported again and again by our customers around the world.